Ki khubor ka bate si TV. Rakhe ka Frank Yamaha khatn reus nem ya ka jing shakri ka jongka. Baden ais ngo bhasha baro kinong thi thuk thuk. Ringkat ka kabuk ser ban long kinong job ya santali ki laptop. Kani ka offer kan kot ha ka live hoteri unai lur 8,000 pusau.
U Dr. Mukul sangma u bade unong yalam kalyang persya. Hapok ying darbar thawan ke jilla. Takraiñ ya ke Sorkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance Halor ke jing thungkam ke political appointee. Bagi jing yo Nongpahara ke jongki ke bala shupin sep ya ke pisau patba. Habi kiran mekla pathai ku bor Dr. Mukul sangma ulapen pa bakuwe ne kitnan bagani ke Sorkar ke bala pendan kambakla kre ya kitrat kampo ying jong ke jilla ya ke bala shuai Nongpahara ya ki klab dan ke nugunu ke jing maha ke jing im ke jongki. Halor kini Dr. Mukul sangma ulapen pa bagi Sorkar kamdei ben pendan kambakla ya ke bor ha ke jing thung ya ke nong ai but jong menteri rangba ke jilla.
The appointment of the ex-MP, Srimati Agatha K. Sangma, in isolation. It is just one part to reflect the nepotism, favoritism with which they have been running this government with complete sense of impunity. Okay. Now, it doesn't end there. It doesn't end there. It goes beyond. It doesn't end in the notified person facilities which are eligible for those incumbent political appointees. No. It goes beyond that. You go and see for yourself of various other privileges and facilities from different line departments which are being provided to them. One is the police department. Okay? One is the police department. I will be demanding for a State Security Commission meeting to take cognizance of this unnecessary wastage of money from public exchequer by misusing the police authorities. You see how many of these political appointees are provided with all kinds of so-called, what do you call them? The security cover? The security cover? To all those political appointees. You look at what is the category of protectee. We have the protectees for the police department to provide all the facilities. Okay? Whose life is under threat? Tell me. Whose life is under threat? Tell me which of these political appointees have taken, the insurgency and militancy and other issues head on to bring peace, that their life is so threatened? If somebody's life is threatened, based on which the level of protection to be given by the police for that indicated protectee has to be worked out. Now you will ring up to the SP and tell, no, give this security to this particular gentleman. This is how you want to spend money from the scarce public exchequer. No. We will have proper due diligence and accounting of everything. And if unnecessarily protection has been given by giving police vehicle, by giving police personnel to just run around with them to show off, and create that public nuisance, we will demand for refund of every spending that has been done by the officer who have provided them. The officer concerned will have to refund all this money. We will see to that. I am assuring the people of the state. Every single paisa that they have spent just to please their political bosses, going rather by deviation from the normal course of ethical responsibility vested upon them as per the law. So this is what is going to happen. So don't look at in isolation.